So this is a short video on how to install automatic headlight kit on a Volkswagen Golf Mk6 or Jetta. So this is the light sensor. It has enough cable to run with it on the dash, to put it near to the windshield. This is the light switch, the headlight switch. So we connect the light sensor to the headlight switch. It has some tape here where you can see the red thing, and you can put it on the dash. So we remove the old headlight switch. Just press on the tab right there and you will take it out. Now we will install the new headlight switch.
Sensor.
So we put the cable through the hole. We run the cable through the hole. Then we will install the new headlight switch with the auto function. Then we remove the fuse box cover and take the cable out. Okay, we run the cable through the fuse box, and then we will go with it near to the windshield to have access on light. So to activate it, turn the ignition on, then twist the switch from auto to 0 position and back to auto in just 1 or 2 seconds, but not more. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.